Scene 1, Venice, a court of justice. Enter the Duke, the Magnificos, Antonio, Bassanio, Graciano, Salario, and others. Duke says, "What? Is Antonio here?" Means Duke is asking a question from the gathering. Is Antonio available in the court? Antonio says, "Ready. So please, Your Grace." "Yes, Your Grace, I am ready. I am available. I am present in the court." Now, Duke says to Antonio, "I am sorry for thee. Thou art come to answer a stony adversary." Means I really feel very sorry for you, Antonio, as you have come to answer. Answer means to defend yourself against a stony adversary. Stony adversary means a very hard hearted opponent. Here, Duke means to say that Antonio has come in the court to defend himself against a very cruel opponent, that is Shylock. He is an inhuman rage. Inhuman means a very low category person, a person who doesn't have humanity, incapable of pity. He is a person who doesn't have the capability of showing mercy on anyone, void and empty from any dream of mercy. He is a kind of mercy who is devoid of the dream of mercy. Dream is smallest amount. Means Shylock is a kind of person who doesn't have even the smallest amount of mercy. So Antonio has come in the court to defend himself from a person who is really very kindless, very cruel, very inhuman person. Antonio says, "Yes, I heard your grace has taken great pains to qualify his rigorous course." Antonio says, "I have heard," means I have listened. "You hath taken great pains to qualify." Qualify means moderate his rigorous course. Rigorous course means rigid legal proceedings, means strict court proceedings. In other words, Antonio means to say, "I have heard that you have tried your best to change the intention, to change the mood of Shylock. But since he stands obdurate, since he remains obstinate, and that no lawful means can carry me out of his envied reach." And in that case, because he is very obstinate, he is obdurate, in that case, no lawful means. Lawful means no legal means can escape me from the cruel hands of Shylock. In which means jealous intention of Shylock. Means there is no legal method which can escape me from the cruel hands of Shylock. I do oppose my patience to his fury. So I will oppose his anger with patience. I will face his anger with patience. My patience to his fury. Fury means anger. And am armed to suffer with quietness of spirit the very tyranny and his rage of his. And I am fully prepared. I am fully ready to suffer his tyranny. Tyranny means cruelty and rage means anger. Means with a quietness I am ready to suffer his cruelty and anger. Now Duke says, "Go one and call the Jew into the court." Duke is saying to the courtiers who are available, "One of you go and call the Jew into the court." Salario says, "Yes, he is ready at the door. He comes, my lord." Salario says, "He is standing at the door. He is ready to enter. He comes, my lord."